Here's a very simple demonstration for my science fiction and philosophy students. I have a six-sided die, so where it's not loaded. Here I roll it. Oh, got a 1. What are the chances that I would get a 1 in that particular circumstance? Well, you might be tempted to say 1 in 6. It's actually 100%. Those same exact circumstances, if I were to be able to exactly replicate those exact circumstances, the height of the die, the weight of the die, the rotation, the air current, the surface of the table, if I were to replicate all of those precisely, I would always end up with a 1. So that means, could I have done it the exact same circumstance and gotten something other than a 1? No. Going back to Nagel, choosing between the cake and the peach, in those exact same circumstances that you choose the cake, you always were going to choose the cake with 100% certainty. So that is what determinism says. Whether it's completely kind of a physical event or a physical event, but also involving your consciousness choice, it's always going to be the same under the same exact circumstances. Now, if I were to roll this again, what are the chances that I would roll a 1? Probably 1 in 6. Just generally speaking, rolling a die, you'd get a particular number, 1 in 6. But in a particular circumstance, it's always going to come up, the number is going to come up with 100% certainty.